today's video, I'm going to teach you all about getting started with selling on DHgate, a popular online marketplace for connecting sellers with buyers worldwide. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your reach or just starting out with e-commerce, this guide will help you navigate through the initial setup phase with ease. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the DHgate seller page. The web address is seller.dhgate.com. Once the page loads, you'll immediately notice a clean and intuitive layout designed to guide you through the registration process as smoothly as possible. If you're an aspiring seller eager to tap into the vast opportunities that online marketplaces offer, this is your starting point. Now direct your attention to the prominent Start Selling button. It's generally displayed somewhere clearly visible on the homepage, designed to catch your eye right away. Clicking this button will set you on the path to becoming a part of the DHgate seller community. This step not only marks your decision to start selling, but also signals the beginning of the registration process, which is crucial for creating your very own seller account. Once you click Start Selling, you'll enter the registration phase. Here you will be prompted to provide several key details, which typically include your name, business information, and contact details. It's important to fill out these fields accurately to ensure your account is set up correctly. As you provide this information, keep in mind that clear and accurate details make the verification process smoother, which is vital for gaining credibility among potential buyers. Following your successful registration, voila! Your DHgate seller account is set up, and you're officially ready to dive into the exciting world of e-commerce. At this point, you may be anxious to start listing products and engaging with potential customers. However, before rushing in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the seller dashboard. This platform is your control center for managing product listings, tracking orders, and analyzing sales performance. A good tip is to spend some time exploring all the available tools and resources DHgate offers to new sellers. From learning how to optimize your product listings with engaging photos and descriptions to understanding shipping logistics and customer service best practices, taking advantage of these resources can greatly enhance your selling experience. Congratulations, your DHgate selling account is now up and running, and you're equipped with the basic knowledge needed to start your e-commerce journey. Remember, every successful seller started just like you with a single step forward. Embrace the journey ahead with enthusiasm and a commitment to continuous learning and growth. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing your success as a trusted DHgate seller.